how to fix ChatGPT oops an error occurred problem. So if you want to fix ChatGPT oops an error occurred, then what you need to do is you just need to simply go with the browser in which you use the ChatGPT. Once you open up your browser, go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and you need to go with privacy and security option. Just go with settings and you'll have privacy and security right here. And you need to go with third-party cookies and then click on see all site data and permissions. And under that, you need to go with the OpenAI. So here you may have OpenAI. If you don't find that, you can simply go and search it. If you don't find the OpenAI, you can simply search for ChatGPT. Once you find the OpenAI, you can go with delete, which will be on the right side, and you need to delete that. Once you've deleted, it won't lose any data, but we'll need to log into our account again. Now, the second step is you need to disable the extensions. So what you need to do is just open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you just need to simply again go with the settings, which will be here, and then go with the extensions option. So here you may have extensions on the left side, bottom left. And if you have any extensions, the unwanted extensions, then you just need to simply toggle it off or then remove the extension. Once you've removed the extension, then your problem will be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing we need to do is go with search and search for network and internet. You can first open up your control panel. Once you open up the control panel, go with network and internet. Go with the network and sharing center. Once you're here you will have your Wi-Fi. So you just need to simply click on it and go with the properties section. You need to simply double click on the Internet Protocol version 4 and you'll get this kind of interface. Once this kind of interface appears, you just need to simply go with use the following DNS server address, and then you need to enter the preferred DNS address, which is 1.1.1.1. This is completely reliable and harmless. Once you've changed your DNS, now you can check if your problem still persists. But if that still persists, then the last thing you need to do is you simply use a VPN. So if you've already have a VPN, then just go with VPN and then turn on your VPN and then try, and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.